Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the mean. Mean, that is the arithmetic in case of the biostats. So this mean, it is also called as the average or the arithmetic mean. So it is the sum of the elements in a distribution, sum of the elements in a distribution, and it is divided by the number of elements. So divided by the number of elements, say n. So it is denoted by mu in a population and by x bar in sample. So the formula is given as the x bar is equal to sigma x by n. So here the sigma sign, it denotes a summation. So it means a summation, and if you look at n is a total number of elements, total number of the elements. So what is the arithmetic mean? The arithmetic mean responds to the exact value of every element in a distribution. It responds to the exact value. So it responds to the exact value of every element, and this is in a distribution. So this makes it at oversensitive and to extreme values. So it becomes oversensitive to extreme values. So as it becomes oversensitive to extreme values, the outliers, that is the outliers, so thus making it inappropriate. So it becomes inappropriate measure for skewed distribution. It becomes inappropriate measure for the skewed distribution. So what is the advantage of the arithmetical mean? So the advantage of the arithmetic mean, so is that if repeated samples are taken from the same population, so if repeated samples are taken from same population, so if repeated samples are taken from the same populations, they will have similar means. So they have similar means, and that is the measure of the central tendency that best resists the influence of the fluctuations within the sample is the mean. That is the measure of the central tendency that best resists the influence of the fluctuation. This is between the samples. So this is nothing but the mean. Next, the mean, if you see, the mean can be calculated only on the qualitative data. So it is calculated on the qualitative data. Calculation is done in the qualitative data, and on an interval or the ratio scale. It is done in an interval or the ratio scale.